are you doing? Ellie, you can't eat that, honey. You cannot eat that. What'd you do to the balloon? What happened to it? What happened to it? What did you do? Where'd all the air go? Where did it go? What you doing? There it goes. Say goodbye, Loon. Goodbye.